There's mummy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play. Trick or treat, give us something sweet. Candy.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So we're back with another great video today for y'all. We've got the 10-foot place and time from Joann's sold it. They was on sale, so we had to have one. Grabbed it. This one's animated. His eyes change, and also his jaw moves while he's talking. So we thought that was pretty cool. Skelly needs a buddy outside with him, and these are indoor or outdoor.
And they're all 50% items right now at Joann. So check your local Joann's. They have their Halloween on 50% already.
If that'll let you, I think you can plug those into that cord.
Stay a while. Watch out for my spider collection. I let them out for a little exercise. If you wouldn't mind, please help me get them back in their box. I do enjoy a good game of hide and seek, but it's been devilishly difficult to find somewhere large enough to hide. Do you mind throwing a blanket over me?
So thank you.
Happy Halloween!
It says what? 6 phrases,
As
I
you
think.
can hear, we started the party without you. But don't worry, we're taking this thing into November.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It says 7 phrases.
Uh-oh. We woke up Grandpa again. Somebody better get him some candy.
Well, I like him.
Welcome to my
I like that he's animated and his mouth moves. I wish they would do the 12-foot skeleton from Home Depot and the Inferno. Also would be awesome, but they haven't done it yet. Now, one thing I do notice, which he's only 10 foot,
Welcome to my
but
stylish haunted home.
he's
can't
pretty
take all the
flimsy.
credit for its trendy appeal. The midnight.
So we may have to put some cables on him, just like we did Skelly. Maybe not as much, but he's pretty flimsy. But I think he'll be fine with a couple cables on him.
I let them out for a little exercise. If you wouldn't mind, please help me get them back in their box.
And I don't know about his arms. We might want to put them down instead of out. Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know what the wind would do to his arms.
Or have one waving.
Yeah, maybe have one waving or something. Now his arms are not adjustable except for here at the shoulders. You can take and unscrew it, and it's like an octagon. You can set it 5 or 6 different places. So,
As you can hear, we started the party without you.
Well, what do you think?
Don't worry,
I like him.
taking this thing into
I
November.
really do like
I
him.
do-
I
I
think
do.
he's different.
I like his eyes, and I like that he's there's no settings on his eyes, so you just got the one. But his mouth moves and stuff and everything, so his head is animated, and I like that. I kind of wish the new ones that we bought, the scary one, I wish they'd have did it like that.
Yeah, had the animation.
Yeah, had the animation to it.
Yeah, I like that, especially with his little jaw moving and stuff. It's cool. I like him. All right, guys. Well, let us know what you think by dropping a comment below. I was gonna see if he's coming back on again.
So
His sensor seems to work pretty well.
his sensor is reading pretty good. Dude, where's the sensor at? Did you see? Where
I'm
it
wanting to
was
say
at?
right here, but I didn't really read it and see.
This is it right
Yes, that's his
here.
sensor.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, right
That's
here.
it, right there. So it's on his hip.
Yep. So.
Okay, guys. With that being said,
Thanks for joining us and setting this up. We've really had a lot of fun tonight. He was just a little bit difficult, but he wasn't too bad. And Joann's does have 50% off. I don't know how long that lasts, so you might want to run, check it out, or hop online.
Please like, share, and subscribe. And that's all we have tonight. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Happy haunting. Oh, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween! As you can hear, we started the party without you. But don't worry, we're taking